Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix error the server stumbled, we all have bad days. Chapter 1. How to fix error the server stumbled, we all have bad days from services. To get started, enter services in the search box. Open services. Now search the Windows Update service. Double-click on this service. After this, on Startup Type, select Automatic. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix error the server stumbled, we all have bad days changing time zone. To start, in the search box, enter date. Select date and time settings. Now on the time zone section, choose a new location. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, you can click on Sync now to apply this change. Chapter 3. How to fix error the server stumbled, we all have bad days with command. To begin, enter the WSR reset command on the search box. Click on the command. How you see a new terminal open and after the Windows Store will open. Chapter 4. How to fix error the server stumbled, we all have bad days changing DNS. To start, on the search box, enter View. Select View Network Connections. After this, you must right-click over the network adapter. Select Properties. Here, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. In this window, check the use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the IP at the public DNS. Click on OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.